my channel. My name is Ayashee and hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ayashee. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are old, then thanks for dropping by again. So in my last video I posted about how I edit my Instagram pictures. So for this video I thought I would like to share how I pose for my Instagram photos. So if you are interested, please keep watching. Also I'll share some tips and tricks on how you can look in every picture, and these are general tips and tricks which applies for everybody. So if you are interested, please keep watching. So the first tip is to know your angle. Now knowing your angle saves your camera roll a lot from having ugly pictures, and I mean a lot. So know the angles from which you look the best, know the angles which you have to avoid, and there you have a bomb picture. So this is how the picture turned out to be, and I took it from an upper angle, so I think everything in the picture seems fine. Moving on to tip number 2, my tip number 2 is to have a prop. Now in this picture I'm going to have a bag. Now with this bag I can play with it, I can turn it around, I can pose as many poses I want to. Also having a prop saves you from having those awkward poses with your hands, and also those regular poses like putting your hands in the pocket or putting it in the hair. So this is how the picture turned out to be, and I'm quite happy with how it turned out to be. Otherwise it would have been a regular photo of just putting my hands in the blazer and making it look so common. And my final tip is going to be have as much movement as you want to. Also change your poses, keep changing them, because you never know how the photo might turn out to be. So play a lot, have many poses, keep changing your poses, give a lot of movement so that you can capture different kinds of poses, and you can have a selection of photos from there from which you want to choose. And finally, eventually, I think not one but at least you will have 3 or 4 pictures which will be quite good. So these were my 3 simple tips which can make your Instagram pictures look different from usual. Also, if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Also, I post twice a week, and thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you next time.